Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Sony ZV-E10 with the Sony a7 IV and what are the main differences between these two. So the sensor resolution is better for Sony a7, you have 33 MP. Then also the ICO is better here, it expands much more, you're going to have 32,000 to 51,200. Then the Sony a7 got better sensor, also it got better the viewfinder, and the continuous shooting speed is better for E10, sorry. Then they got the tight video resolution, high speed video, built-in wireless. The weight is better for Sony ZV, so this is also that you need to know, and also dimensions, and that's pretty much it. So that's the primary differences between these things. Now when we're going to look here further, is that we can see that ZV is better in product showcase mode, crop at 4K, the continuous shooting and battery life, but not much, and weight. On the other hand, as you can see, the Alpha A7 is the front dial, anti-dust, the inbuilt image stabilization, viewfinder that you have there, sensor resolution, max ACO, then also the full-size HDMI port, storage slot, and that's pretty much it. Focus mapping and anti-flicker. So have a great day and goodbye.